Hi all, I am Ashutosh Gupta. I am a practicing Scrum Master in DXC Technology, Noida. Apart from this, I am a co-organizer of Play Scrum Delhi, which organizes meetups in each and every month in Delhi. And I am an agile enthusiastic who enjoys seeing people winning. Today, we are going to discuss about servant leadership. I want you to think for a minute what kind of leaders has inspired you most. Any public figure. It can be sports personality, it can be political personality, it can be spiritual personality, it can be some ancient scholars, or even it can be your superheroes. You must have come across with several names. People get inspired. Ganguly, Dhoni, Dravid, Muhammad Ali. In a spiritual arena, people are inspired from Sadhguru, even Chanakya, and several other scriptures. Sometimes you get inspired even with the Batman and Iron Man. What is the common thing which binds all of them together? If you think closely, you'll come to know that these are the people who has inspired you in your life when you were feeling depressed or you were lacking something in your life. They have given you the required motivation. They have given you the required wisdom through their books or sometimes podcast and their videos. So if you see, because they have inspired you through their knowledge and wisdom, you become follower of them. If we provide the right knowledge and wisdom to anybody which can uplift their life positively, they'll become a good follower.